Yo, what's going on, everybody? I'm dropping a breakdown on VBJPY. I'm just gonna play some music and I'm just gonna, do my pre-session analysis, right? Just bear from the very beginning, and then I'm probably gonna summarize at the very end. This is just a quick video I want to get out for you guys to show you what I have for tonight's London session, right? London is in about 3 hours by the time this video posts, hopefully. So, just sit back, watch me just analyze the market real quick. This is gonna be like a little something new that I want to start doing. Just something quick, right? Analyzation, put some music on, vibe, and just pre-analyze. I want you, analyze with me, right? Analyze markets with me. By the way, pump, tank top. That's how you know we ready to make some profits tonight. Pump some profit. And yeah, enjoy the breakdown, guys. Enjoy the breakdown. So I just marked off all my areas, as you guys just see. I also just kind of got a feel of what market structure is doing, right? So again, I have some levels drawn on a weekly time frame, which is basically just this huge one over here where we rejected. You look on the daily time frame, and I do recognize a breaker structure on the daily time frame, right? We're having breaker market structures creating higher highs, in a very, very big bullish scenario, and then prices drops down and creates a lower low point, right? We're just been completely melting since then, right? You can also see on the 12-hour a little bit more clear. You can see a little bit more structure on the 12-hour. You can see that price is indeed trending downwards very, very clearly, right? And then I make the final analysis on the 4-hour, right? I mark off any major areas. I tried to show you guys why I marked off some areas. You see all these wicks over here. You see this area right here. You see these 2 points right here. Wicks over here, right? So these are the reasons why I marked off these exact areas that you see right here. Now, what do I have now, and what do my buys, right? Well, price is going bearish, right? Price is pushing lower lows and lower highs, and eventually has now created a new lower low, and has broken under this key area support and resistance, right? This is actually a nice area which price has reacted to, right? To one time right here and then shoots up, one time right here and then shoots up. You can see this huge wick where price then closes back under, and then once we break above, we come down and retest this huge wick. This is a key area, right? These are the little wicks that you have to keep in mind. That's what you want to look at, right? This is just price action. What am I reading, right? Price wicked here and then flew up. And then we had more rejection right here. So this is a valid area, a very key area. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just watching anime. Again, this is just as raw as I can. That's why I have these tabs up, right? I'm watching some traders. I'm watching some anime. Listening to music. So this is what I have now. What do I expect? What am I going to be waiting for London session, right? And what I'm going to be waiting for is honestly just a simple pullback into this level right here, right? And to actually have this trade continue to the downside. This is very ugly. Continue to the downside, right? And hopefully it could drop it all the way back down to 180.200, right? We're just trending bearishly, so I just want to keep trying to catch those moves, right? I just want to catch those moves because you got to take what price is showing you, right? It's literally doing exactly what we've said. A lot of bearish momentum on the higher time frames, even in the lower time frames. So I'm going to be looking to take a trade just like that, right? When I look at forex factor, see if we have any news. We have just for GBP, and then we have heavy USD, right? But honestly, 4 a.m. is the only one I should worry about. See what Governor Bailey has to say about the financial stability in London. And yeah, that's basically just what I'm going to take, right? I'm going to be careful. I'm going to be picky and choosy. I'm going to see what happens here. If we create a new lows, as you see over here. So this is the very important level right here, creating new lows, right? We dropped down, creating new lows. Now we're simply pulling back and we're ranging. We're going to see what's going to happen, right? Price is either going to start breaking up to the upside, or then we continue that move downward, right? So Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. I might or might not do another pair right after this. So I just got done GBP USD. I was also looking at UJ. I'm not gonna drop down UJ, but I'm also looking at GBP USD, and I like it and I don't like it. One, price is just so bullish. I don't think we're gonna have a trade anytime soon. We would have to wait for a major pullback, hopefully by the end of this week, right? But what do I see? I see price in the higher time frame switching structure, right? We're going bullish, and now we're just creating higher highs, right? And we're kind of in this range, if you look over here, where we just kind of fly between these two levels, about 228 pip, 228 pip, zone, right? When I go down to the lower time frames, it's clear as day that price was pushing bullish all the way down here from 1.260642, right? Just pushing bullish, right? Creating nice higher highs and higher lows, and it has just all it did right now is just create the most recent higher high, right? So now, what am I looking at? What should we look at going into the rest of the week? I think we should see GPUSD pull back all the way back into this area. Very, very, very big pullback into this area. That's why I'm saying I don't know when it'll happen. We'll get some nice Fibonacci play. We have the 20 SMA. Hopefully the 50 will catch up by then, and then continue that move to the upside. Eventually to the 1.30723 zone that I have, or line, the horizontal line I have marked off, right? Basic structure. This is a textbook setup right here where you could just simply see price over here on the left side pushing bearishly, and then we end up breaking, and then we end up pushing bullishly, and now we're just creating higher highs and higher lows above the moving averages, above support resistance, breaking structure. We have all the components, right? So I hope you guys just enjoyed this little GBP breakdown, quick breakdown. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll make more videos if you guys like it just like this. Nice quick analysis and a little summary after. So I'll see you guys later, and deuces.